Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. You are scrolling through your Feedly feed and now you see an article that looks interesting, but you don't have time to read it right now. Maybe you are at work, or you are about to head into a meeting, or you just want to save it for quite a moment later in the day. What do? You could leave the tab open, but then you will have 20 tabs open by the end of the day. You could email it to yourself, but then your inbox becomes a dumping ground. Or you could use Feedly's built-in Save for Later feature, which is exactly what it sounds like, a dedicated place to stash articles you want to come back to. So in today's small tutorial, I'm going to show you all the different ways to save articles to read later in Feedly, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. According to Feedly's documentation, Read Later is a special section in your left navigation that collects all articles you have marked for future reading. So these articles are stored in reverse, basically chrono order, with the most recently saved at the top. So you can easily, for example, let me show you how. I'm going through this Read Later. As you see, this is all articles. I'm going here, for example, this is for me today. I'm gonna long press this section. Then you can easily save it to board. Mark above as read, mark below as read. For example, we're gonna go save it. You can tap create a board. So it's actually depend on you. As you see here, mark 10 articles as read, and here you go, a new articles that you would mark as read as well. Here we have the Read Later box. You can basically add whatever you want from the feed section. So basically all you can do, as you see Read Later, for example, we're gonna come here, see this, add your favorites, mark as read, see similar feeds, recently read. Okay, for example, so we're gonna go start this one, tap on this, Read Later, and that's it. You will be able to find it here. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.